Hi, my name is NURFATEHah Najwa binti AMRAN. I will explain to you about admin page. So as you can see here, first we need to log in before we can enter the admin page. So if we don't have any account, we need to register by clicking on this register now button. So let's enter our detail first. Let's enter name, which is Najwa, and enter our email najwa@gmail.com. Enter password 123, confirm our password 123, choose admin and click on this register now button. So as you can see, it brings us to this login now page. So first let's take a look at this localhost page. So let's refresh. As you can see here, the register detail we entered just now was added into this local database. So let's log in. Najwa. Enter password 123. Log in. So as you can see, it brings us to the admin panel page. So at the header, as you can see, we have home, products, orders, users and messages, and the user icon message. As you click on this, it shows our username and our email. We can log out, log in or register. So at the home page, which is dashboard, we have total pending, complete payment, order places, product added, new message, total account, admin user and normal user. We have RM0 of total pending. We have RM202 complete payment. We have 4 order placed. We have 7 product added. We have 2 normal user. We have 4 admin user. We have 6 total account and 0 new message. So let's take a look at the product page. So let's click this. We can add product. So and also we can update and delete the product we have entered earlier. So let's say I want to delete this sausage roll. I delete. Okay, so let's take a look. It was deleted. And also I can update the price. So let's say I want to update this chicken popcorn price. So let's reduce the price. It was been RM8. So update, and the price was be updated. So let's add product. I want to add tiramisu cake. So enter product price RM55. This file. This open and add product. So as you can see here, the pop-up message shows that the product added successfully. So let's close this. Yes, as you can see here, the product we add just now was been added. So let's take a look at the order page. We have 4 total order that was complete. We can update on this place order. So let's say I want to update this into pending. Update. So the pop-up message shows that the payment status has been updated. It also was been updated at this home page. Here we have RM34 total pending, like here, RM34. So let's say we complete. So let's update. Close this pop-up message. Home. So we have 0 total pending and RM202 completed payment. So let's click user page. So we have 2 normal user and 4 admin user. We can delete any user. So I want to delete this. So let's delete. Okay. So we only have 1 normal user and 4 admin user. So let's take a look at the message page. You have no message because no customer message me. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is binti ABDUL. I am from CS1104B. My metric number is 2030492148. This website will need the customer to log in first to enter the homepage. If the customer don't have an account, the customer need to register by clicking the register now button. The customer will enter the name, email, password and the confirm password. Then they need to choose as a user. Then they click register now button. These details will be added into the food DB database. After the customer register, they will need to log in by enter their password and email. Then click to log in now button, so the customer already logged in into the website. This discover more button will bring the customer to the about page. This latest product section can be only updated by admin. If there was no product added, there will be no menu shown if there was no product added by the admin. The customer can enter the quantity of the product they want and the customer can add to cart. The load more button will bring the customer to the shop page. After that, this is the about us section. As you can see, there was a video loop mute automatically. Read more button will bring them to the about us page. For the contact section, there was a button contact us that will bring them to contact page if they have any question or message. At the bottom of the page, it was a footer section. There was hyperlink which are home, about, shop and contact. There also extra link which are login, register card and order. In addition, there was contact info at our Baker's Quarter social media link. At the header section, there was a search button where the customer can search any menu they want. The customer can enter a keyword of the menu they want, for example, cake. After that, click on the search button. If there was no product that link with what they search, there will be a message no result found. If there was product that link with what they search, it will show the menu based on what they search. For the about page, at the header section, there was a title and a home buttons. There will a loop video and also an explanation about us. At this section, there will also a contact us button that will bring them to contact page. There also customer review section. As you can see, there was 6 customer review here with the star rate. Next, our team section will show about our team members. As I hover over the picture, the social media button will show and customer can click on them to see their social media. At the bottom of page, the footage like I have said earlier. For the contact page, the customer can send any message to us. The customer need to enter their name, email, phone number and lastly message. Then they need to click the send the message button and the message will be sent to the admin page.
Hi, my name is RAZATUL and now I will explain about the shop page, which is the menu page. At the header, they can click the home button if they want to go back to the home page. As you can see, there was 7 foods which are chicken rice, sausage, chicken popcorn, donut, ice cream cake, tiramisu cake and fruit cake. They can enter the quantity they want and they can click the add to cart button if they want to buy the foods. For example, if I want 2 chicken rice, also I want 2 chicken pop and 1 ice cream cake, then click to add cart button and there will be a message which is product add to the cart. Then click on the X button to close the pop-up message. Okay, next let's take a look at the cart page where they need to click on the cart button. As you can see, the number shown is based on the number of foods they add to cart. After the customer click on the cart page, as you can see, there was product add that we add to the cart earlier at the shop page. The customer can update the quantity of the food they want by enter the new quantity they want and click the update button. For example, I want only 1 chicken and then I click on the update button. There will be a pop-up message which is cart quantity updated. Then, same like before this, click the X button to close the pop-up message. If the customer want to delete all of their products, they can click delete all the button. There will be a grand total shown and the customer can continue shopping by click the orange button. And if they want to make a payment, they can click this green button. All this product will be added and will be updated into the food_DB database in the chart table. Okay, after they click the proceed to the checkout button, they will directly go to the order page. At the order page, it will show what we ordered earlier with the price and quantity at the top of the grand total. As you can see, the grand total is the 19 ringgit. Then the customer needs to enter their details in the place your order form. So let's enter the details. After the details was entered, let's take a look at the orders table in the database. As you can see, the details was added. After finish enter our details, click on the order now button and it will show a message that order placed successfully. Click the X button to close this message. At the top of the grand total also will be a message that show your card is empty. And if the customer click on this user button, it will show our username and email. If you want to log out from this website, click on the log out button and then it will direct to the login page back. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARHAD bin ELIAS from class A4 CS110 4B. Number matrix is 2020892482. I am from group that are making mobile apps for Baker's Cottage and also for the website of Baker's Cottage. So today I'm going to explain to you about the interface that have done by us and also the blocks that have been done by us. And then as you can see here at the screen right now, this is the first page of our mobile apps, which is the promotion. All the promotion that are available at Baker's Cottage we will include at this page. And also at the bottom here, as you can see, is the shop now button, which the user can click, will direct them back to the screen, direct them to screen 4. At screen 4 is the sign up button, is the sign up page for the new user. Here you can see the name Baker's Cottage, the logo. This is the text box for username, text box for email, and also text box for the password. And then here is the button for the sign up. And at the bottom is will direct the customer to the login button if the customer has already signed up. All the data been entered by user will be saved into this database, which connect here through this block that we have been done. Will connect to this database that been created by us. Then after they have signed up, you will go to they can enter this click here and will direct them to screen 5, which is the login button. At the login, the customer already enter their details, the username, email and password, can enter their username here and the password here, and then click the login button, which the data will be checked through the database that connected through this link, which is this database. And then if the customer successfully if the login is successful, it will direct them to the screen 2. I forgot to tell you that there are also PHP file which is located here. It's located here. For the sign up, it will use the register bakers PHP file, is screen 4, which also previously direct to the bakers DB register bakers.php, which is located here, which is located here, register bakers. And then for the login, it will connected to this file login.php, which connected to this database. So here I will show you the register. This is the coding for the register. Coding for the register, and then for the login is, yeah, this is the login. The login is connected to the database. And then after the customer successfully log in, it will direct them to screen 2, which is the main page for our mobile apps. So as you can see here, there are a lot of interface that we included here: profile button, promotion button, and then the menu of the available at the workers cottage. Then on the screen you cannot see, but on the phone there will be the amount of order at the bottom here, also the minus and plus button for each of the menu. Then if the customer want to add order, they can simply click the plus button, then the number will increase and also will show the price of total of each order. And then the total order will be add up and will display here at label beside this card. And also this is the motto of the workers cottage. And then if the customer satisfied with the number of order, they can enter the confirm button. So this is the block that have been done by us. Then here you will pass to you will go to the screen 9. You will go to screen 9. So here the customer can preview the amount due based on their order, and the customer need to enter their name, number telephone, and also the address. And then at the bottom here, the customer will have to choose whether to use credit card or debit card or the COD. Then if the customer, okay, here's the block, and if the customer choose to enter credit card or debit card, we'll go to the online banking, and here customer need to provide card holder name, card number, expiry date, and also security code. And if the customer enter the confirm button, this is the block, it will direct them to the success, and it will show the total paid by the customer. And then if they click this back to main page, it will direct them back to screen 2, which the customer can continue ordering. Then for the same goes to the COD. For the option of COD, the customer also can if they enter, it will direct them to the COD page, show them the successful. And then I will show you the function of this profile button. And if the customer push the profile button, it will direct them to screen 6. Screen 6, which show the user, their username, their current email, and their current password. And there are 3 buttons at the bottom here: update, delete, and back. If the customer push back button, it will direct back to the screen 2. And if the customer push the update button, it will direct them to the screen 7. And at here, the customer can update their username, their email, and their password. And if they push confirm button, it will update the data in the database here. And then so for the delete button, because if the customer enter the delete button, it will direct them to screen 10. Which is screen 10, the customer need to provide their username and then push the confirm delete. And then after that, the data that refer to the username will be deleted here. Then direct them back to and then it will direct them back to screen 2. Okay, which is the screen 1, which is the promotion page. And then that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi. My name is SITINURSHAMIMI binti SAIDIN. Okay, now I would like to show you the flow of our mobile application. Okay, first of all, the user need to open the mobile app in their phone. Okay, the first page that they will see is a promotion page, which is there is a few brochure that Baker's Cottage offer to the user. Okay, at the bottom of this page, there is a Shop Now button. When the user click the Shop Now button, it will take the user to a sign up page, which is user need to enter their username, enter their email and their password to view the menu in Baker's Cottage. Okay, now I will register first. My username is Shamimi, email is okay. I will enter the password. Okay, this detail that entered by customer will go to the database that we create. Okay, now I will click the sign up button and the data will save in the database. Okay, after that I click here and it will go to the login page, which user need to enter the username and the password that they registered just now. I register my username is Shamimi and I enter the password. Okay, after that user need to click the login button. Okay, when the username and the password was matched with the database that we register first, it will go to the menu page. If the username and the password that entered by the customer was wrong, they can access into our app. Okay, after that it will go to the menu page, which is in this menu page there is two button, which is profile and the promotion. When the customer click a profile button, it will show the customer profile, which is I registered just now, my username, email and password. Okay, when we click back, there is also a promotion button, which is will go to the promotion page just now lah. We back, and at this menu page there is a few menu that customer can order. For example, I want to make my order. I just need to click minus and plus button here. Okay, here I ordered 2 items. When customer has done their order, they just need to click a confirm button at the bottom of this page. When the confirm button was clicked, it will go to a payment page, which here this payment page it will show amount due that a customer just made just now, which is here 56 ringgit, and customer need to enter their name, number telephone and address. Here I enter my name, my phone number and also my address. Okay, after the customer enter their details, they just need to choose that they want to pay with a debit card or cash on delivery. Okay, now I would to choose COD and I click the button COD. Okay, it will just show you that your payment was success and the total price paid is 56 ringgit. When the order was confirmed, customer just need to click back to main page button and it will return to a menu page. Okay, for update and delete data, customer can click the profile button here and it will go to a user profile, which is it will show our username, email and password. Here, customer can update their details with click the button update. Okay, for example, I want to update my password and remain my username and email. I just need to enter my username, email, okay, new password. I just need to enter my new password here and it will update in the database. When I confirm, I just need to click a confirm update. Okay, now it was update my password. For a button delete here, we can delete our account. Okay, for example, I click the delete button. We just need to enter our username and I will click a confirm delete and it will automatically log out my account just now and it will return to a promotion page. That's all.